Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody left me a message off one of my videos and asked me a question about the interactive fill tool. If you could nudge it around after you did it or move it around, and the answer is yes. So I've got a rectangle here, and I'm going to get the interactive fill tool, and I'm going to go right up here to the screen. I'm going to go to the PostScript fills. I'm going to happen to pick bubbles, just so it kind of shows up good on the page. Now, you really can't move them around because it's just going to follow the box. But once selected, if you go to Object, convert the outline to an object. Now, you did lose your line, but you could nudge it over around, and then you could actually put it into another vessel, let's say. So you could nudge that around. But if you took a different shape, hold down the control button to get a perfect circle. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And then click on your new object and go up to Object and Power Clip, place inside frame, and you could make it the same size or close. And then once you're inside of Power Clip, you can click right here and it says Edit Power Clip, and then you could nudge around and move the bubbles inside your power clip to get the exact effect you want, and then just hit that and you could actually go no outline and you would have that effect, or you could keep the outline. So you can move the interactive fill tool, and also if you look right here, there's still a hidden box from our item, so you need to make sure you delete that. So the answer is yes, you can nudge it around. Maybe that wasn't what he was exactly looking for, but you could edit and basically nudge it around. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.